Hopes that move will also help hospitals where a shortage of staff and ICU beds are approaching potentially disastrous levels. KRDO News Channel 13's Chase Golightly joins us live outside Parkview Medical Center after hearing from Mayor Nick Gradisar about the situation. And Chase, a very grim outlook from the mayor today.
Mayor Gradisar is very concerned that if this trend continues, COVID-19 patients may be turned away from hospitals. But Parkview Medical Center officials tell me they're doing everything they can to prevent that from happening. Colorado hospitals continue to struggle with the huge influx of patients coming in, and Mayor Nick Gradisar says Pueblo hospitals are reaching a breaking point.
Right now, our medical facilities in the city of Pueblo are being stressed. In terms of the number of patients.
The current infection rate is leaving hospitals short-staffed and fewer ICU beds for patients. Gradisar warning it's possible some may have to be turned away.
Some bad decisions will have to be made about who gets treatment and who doesn't.
A spokesperson for Parkview Medical Center says while there have been close calls, they have not run out of ICU beds or turned anyone away. To keep beds open and staff-free, they are slowing down elective surgeries, which UC Health in Colorado Springs is considering.
That's a daily conversation that we have based on what we see coming through the door and how many beds we have available.
Dr. David Steinbrunner, the chief medical officer for UC Health Memorial, says their situation, like Pueblo's, is only getting worse.
The hospital is extremely full.
However, he doesn't want to cancel elective surgeries like they had to in March because too many people who needed those procedures ended up developing further complications.
Because your loved one needs to get that surgery done. Somebody needs to be seen to get a procedure done. We want the clinics to be open in some capacity.
But by keeping those elective surgeries going on top of more people coming in for COVID-19, they may have no other choice.
So that's sort of the perfect combination to say we have a problem here.
Alternate care sites were also discussed today. At this time, Colorado Springs does not have an alternate care site where recovering COVID-19 patients can go. However, Pueblo does have one at St. Mary Corwins. Now, the problem with those sites is trying to get enough staff of nurses to be able to take care of those patients. Reporting live in Pueblo, Chase Golightly, KRDO News Channel 13.